So now, okay, start straight lines part 7 now. Exercise 10.2, and we have seen different conditions of straight line. Here we take the question number 1 first. Write the equation for the x-axis and y-axis. Yes. Equation of x-axis and y-axis you can remember directly also. Equation I told you, I think equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Because any point, if you will see any point on x-axis, suppose this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. So if you will take any point on this x-axis, its coordinate will be x0. And it is also passing from 0, 0. So you can use the formula also, y minus y1 equation of a line passing y minus y1 passing through 2 point, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So x1 y1 is 0, x2 y2 is x and 0. So y minus y1, x1 y1 0, y2 is also x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 is 0, minus y1 is also 0, x2 is x, x1 is 0, x minus 0. So when 0 is multiplied, it will become 0 right hand side, so y is equal to 0. So like this you can find the, take any point q on y-axis, its coordinates will be 0, y, and then you can write the equation passing through two given points like this, or you can directly remember the equation of y-axis and equation of x-axis is y-axis is x is equal to 0. So this is the answer of question number 1. Exercise 10.2. Okay. Second question. We have to check which condition should be applied here. What is given us? -4 and -3. A line passing through the point. Line is passing through the point -4 and 3. And slope. Slope is 1/2. So this is the condition when a line passing through a point having the slope m. So this is passing through the point x1, y1. If a line passing through the point x1, y1 and having a slope m, then its equation is y is equal to y minus y1 m x minus x1. This formula will be applied. Just you can put the values here. X1 is 4, y1 is 3, and m is 1/2. So y minus y1 3, slope is 1/2, x minus x1, x1 is -4. So minus minus plus 4. 2 you can multiply left side, 2y minus 3 to the 6 is equal to x plus 4, or all terms taken right hand side, x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation, which is the required equation of the given line. This is the required equation of the given line, given a straight line. Same thing is in question number 3 also. We have x1, y1 and slope m. So x1, y1 is y minus y1, apply this formula, y minus y1 m x minus x1. So x1, y1 are 0, so y minus 0, slope is m x minus 0, so y is equal to mx. Yes. So this is the case when the line is passing through the origin We have seen that y is equal to mx plus c also. If the intercept on y-axis is c, then the equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Mx plus c. But when c will become 0, the equation, when the line passing through the origin, if this line passes through the origin from this point, then c will become 0. So in this case, the equation will be equal to y is equal to mx. Okay, same thing has come here, but here 2 points are given, so we use that formula. No need of this one. Just I'm going to explain you that this is also the case. You can remember that y is equal to mx when the line is having slope but passing through the origin, then its equation will be y is equal to mx. Then this was question number 3. Question number 4, a line passing through the point. Which point? 2 and 2 root 3. And inclined with the axis at an angle of 75 degree. So theta, that means theta. Angle of inclination is what? Theta. Theta is equal to 75 degree. Find the equation of the line. So we have to find m, gradient, and x1, y1 is given. So x minus x1, the same formula above question number 3 formula will be used. X, y. So first find the gradient of this line. M is equal to 10, 75 degree. 75 degree we can find by splitting it into 45 and 30 degree. 45 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 75 degree. 10a plus b, that formula 10a plus b, you must be knowing this. 10a plus b is equal to 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a 10b. 1 minus 10a 10b. Using it to 1045 degree plus 1030 degree divided by 1 minus 1045 degree into 1030 degree. Now substituting the values, 1045 degree is 1 plus 1030 degree is 1 by root 3. So this will become 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3, taking LCM. So this will become root 3 plus 1 by root 3 in the numerator, and similarly denominator root 3, so root 3 minus 1, and this root 3 and root 3 will cancel. We get root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. And it can be rationalized by multiplying root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Rationalize the denominator. Root 3 into root 3, 3. This root 3 will multiply with root 3, then with 1. So root 3 plus 1 root 3. This 1 will multiply with root 3 and 1 into 1, 1. And denominator, you know that root 3 square is 3 minus 1. So that will become 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. And when you divide by 2, you get 2 plus root 3. So the gradient is 2 plus root 3. So gradient is 2 plus root 3. Therefore, we got the gradient as m is equal to 2 plus root 3, and x1, y1, we have x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 2 root 3. So gradient is given, point is given, so we can use the 1 point form. So y minus y1 m x minus x1. The equation of line will be, therefore equation is y minus 2 root 3, gradient is 2 plus root 3, x minus 2. Y minus 2 root 3, 2 plus root 3 multiply inside with x and with 2. So 2 will multiply minus 2 to the 4 minus 2 root 3. And both sides minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3 will cancel. And we can write it as 2 plus root 3x and bring y right hand side minus y minus 4 is equal to 0, which is the required equation, of the line. Question number 5. Intersecting the line at x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin with slope minus 2. Yes. This is your x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now the line is 3 units to the left of the origin. This is the origin. So 3 units means 1, 2, 3. And it is having, you know that if the line is making positive slope, for positive slope, the line is making like this angle. Okay. Till here. If the line will make the angle more than 90 degrees, then the slope will become negative. The slope will become negative. So therefore the line will be passing like this. This will be the line. Its slope is m. M is minus 2 and it is passing at minus 3. X-axis minus 3 units means minus 3, 0. The another point will be minus 3, 0. So again we got the condition x1, y1. This is x1, y1 and m. x1, y1 and m is given. So equation of line will be y minus y1 m x minus x1, y minus y1. y1 is 0, m is minus 2, x is x minus x1 minus 3 minus minus plus 3. So y is equal to minus 2x minus 6. So 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Is the required equation of a line. Question number 6. Find the equation of line which is intersecting the y-axis at 2 units above the origin. That means above the origin. X-axis, y-axis, above the origin 2 units means from here 2 units and making an angle of 30 degrees. So it is not necessary to draw exact diagram, but this is the 30 degree, making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. That means this one. And passing through this point 2 on y-axis, x coordinate is 0, so 0, 2, passing through 0, 2. So again x1, y1 is given. x1 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 2, and m we have to find, m is equal to tan theta and theta is equal to 30 degree. So tan 30 degree. So we have to find m is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. And equation of line, we can use m y is equal to mx plus c also, because this is given 2. This is 2, c is 2 also. So we can use y is equal to mx plus c also here. So instead of taking this point, only if we consider this intercept on y-axis, but we can do that way also. Both are correct. Y is equal to mx plus c. We will use this formula, y is equal to mx plus c. This is the condition when the line making an intercept on y-axis. So it is making an intercept on y-axis. So m we have to find, and c making intercept on y-axis, that is c. C is given us as 2. So now put in the equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to gradient is 1 by root 3 x plus 2. So root 3 LCM, take LCM, then multiply. So x plus 2 root 3. So x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Then question number 7. In question number 7, find the equation of a line passing through the point, passing through 2 given points. The first point is minus 1, 1. Second point is 2 and minus 4. So equation of a line passing through 2 given points, formula is y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x 2 minus x1 into x minus x1. And here x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, and y2 is equal to minus 4. Substitute the values. So we get y minus y1 is 1, y2 is minus 4, minus y1 is 1, x2 is 2, minus 1, that is plus 1, x minus 1 plus 1. So we get y minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3 into x plus 1. Cross multiply, 3 multiply left side, minus 5 inside. So 3y minus 3 ones are 3, minus 5x and minus 5. So 5x bring left side, so 5x plus 3y minus 3, this minus 5 will become plus 5 is equal to 0. So we get 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the line, which is the required equation of the given line.